Hello guys and welcome back to a brand new video.
Today we're going to play Roblox in Adopt Me all the time.
So today we are playing Adopt Me.
Join me, Jax.
Okay, what are we going to do, sir? I'm saying I'm acting out. You be a baby to unbox.
I'll be a baby to unbox. So, Jax,
So yeah,
you can TP if you want.
Salam.
Meet you at yourself. I just died.
I think that. Wait, what? It's someone else in the zone.
Yeah,
I thought for you.
one of my friends. My girlfriend.
Why are you doing chunky? No offense.
I'm stuck.
No offense if you're watching this video.
Why am I chunky? I'm a
I don't really
chunky
want to offer
man
the zebra.
in a chunky world.
I don't really want a zebra, but
Yeah, horsey.
wait. Actually, no. I don't need any more dogs.
Do you have a dog?
Any offer?
Yeah. A mega flyway.
So guys, we're gonna be saving up to even a bit more to get a mega dog, because this is the last one I need to make mega. And my third dream pet is a mega dog. So yeah, I'm probably gonna name it Booba or something. I'm not gonna take my hood off today. Wait, we're not even in each other's. I accidentally traded you.
You did.
Here it is. Let me pick you up. There we go.
Yeah, that's not on your sister. Chocolate luck. Some sort of mega.
Oh, nice.
Wait, imagine if they actually done this. What?
I'm not sure if I'll be able to do an entire video making the dog mega, but I might be able to. I'm not sure.
Because we're gonna be able to.
It's probably gonna be. It's probably gonna be my new YouTube channel. Yeah, he's definitely gonna be my new YouTube channel mascot. I got.
So is Sunny.
Sunny's not gonna be my mascot. But guys, my channel might still be called Jackson X Sunny. It's good, or Jax X Sunny. It's gonna be because I have to wait a few more days. Once the days are over.
Yeah, like days are over. Bruce seems very thirsty. The other way. Cheese is actually really rare.
What is it? Cheese?
Yeah,
That's literally from the VIP room, bro.
I know.
It's always been in games ever since the VIP room I played. It's always been in the game. I'm
eating a legendary sandwich.
Oh, shush.
Shush.
I was gonna give you a donut. You want a donut instead?
Yeah.
I'll go grab you one after this.
Grab me 10 billion.
We'll see if we're lucky or not.
Yay! I can grab 10 billion.
You can grab some. There you go. To eat it.
I need to get so many donuts.
That's not my house.
Do these donuts safe?
No.
Why?
I still got another donut. I got another
I
donut.
got 24 billion food.
This is my favourites.
Wait, look how much food I have. Look. Ready? From there.
Oh my god. Why do you fail all your things? Let's do some trading while we wait for news.
Yeah. Where are you, mate?
No windfall.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm offering for this reindeer. Oh, why do I always invite people to family on accident?
Wait,
Someone's got a Black Panther. Iron one.
Someone's got a diamond griffin.
Remember Black Panther's fly ride. It's really good. Which adds more value to it. Someone won.
Just realised
I need a thing.
I got 1,006.
Someone's called Riding Eagle Unicorn. Someone's called
Let's see.
Yeah. And it's not fake. It's real.
I'm off from this.
Because it's got the hair and the eyes.
Where don't accept. Scan.
I just decline.
There's somebody with no shirts on.
They make me poor.
No. They're really rich.
Why's your name ABC if you want to play Picador, but then they give a pet? That sounds like a scam. You basically scammed someone earlier though.
Yeah, I basically did.
Yeah, because you never gave them, you never let them play.
Yeah, because I lost them. Because they sent me flying away. Which was not good. They're inside together. Hey, someone's got a football.
If you guys would like to know how to get this Shadow Dragon skateboard, let's see if the codes are still available. If not, guys, I'll try and get another one on my alt and give away on my YouTube channel. Let's just see.
A Black Panther. Wow.
That's what this is pretty decent. They told you to add. They are over.
I'm over.
No, they're not. No, they're not. It's from the jungle egg.
Someone's got a mega wyvern.
Where's
I'm
the
off from
trading
my dragon.
this area? I probably passed it like a million trillion times.
Someone's got a gold griffin.
So guys, I'm about to show you how you get the Shadow Dragon skateboard. Unless it's the vault, the kiosk is closed. Hopefully it's not closed. 'Cause then, if it does, yeah, I can't make an auto account to get it.
Right, that's not really.
Oh, it's closed. I wonder when it opens. TP to me then. If you want me to aid you up, come with me. Carter, do you want me to aid you up or not?
Yeah, but I'm just doing this trade.
We got some needs though.
No, I don't.
Well, why did you?
Come pick me up.
TP to
I'm on
me.
the side of the road. No, I'm actually at Gift.
TP to me.
Might be.
I'm at my house.
Gold griffin.
There we go. Now you're spark. Call it
Golden griffin.
My dog just aged up to Sparkle. We can just keep it like that. Let's do a little hack. You guys probably know it. It's been on for quite a while. It's called the Talking Pet Hack. You can't say anything. For an example, this. There we look. Or
Someone's got a shark.
I already have one.
A fly ride shark. A ride shark. I'll do this. Pretty decent.
Do it.
They're over.
I know.
Add.
I would. I would say that too. Or a regular.
I added.
I used to have a ride shark, but I traded it for a ride so not good on accident.
Yeah. I'll give you a ride shark if they do this. Who's over?
I would say they're a little bit over, or maybe you are. I'll say them for now. I'm surprised they didn't do just the Ride Dragon, because I always get good offers for Ride Dragon.
Aww.
I guess you got 9.
Wait, they left. Never mind.
Looking
I
for a
don't know what
new
to get
unicorn.
that.
Trading 4 Tarsiers for a unicorn.
Wait!
Under. Do I even have a
If you
Tarsier?
find this
Probably
poor
not.
noob, don't trade them, because I just saw them dress up. They're really rich.
Okay.
They've got a mega giraffe.
They don't.
They do.
That's the biggest cackle I've ever heard.
Bro, they're so rich, but they're pretending they're
If they're rich, why do they need pets, bro? Like, bro, guys, if you're rich, why do you scam? I'm you loyal fans of scammer, but seriously, why do people scam if they're rich?
Yeah, no.
Well, so maybe because some people are poor, but if they have no pets and they get a breakfast dog, I'm not
They've
sure.
got-
Like, bro, I just leaked your
They've got a
secrets
fruit
about me.
fairy.
Don't ban me though. It's not a huge secret. It doesn't matter. No, I don't think they'll even care if I tell you about the practice dog. Well, I'm not sure if it's yeah, you basically need a new account now, and it's untradeable, and it's only temporary. So if you leave, you lose it.
What?
So yeah, I'm gonna do another really fun glitch. I love doing. By the way, guys, you don't. Let's put it on here. Let's get any balloon. I've got a controller balloon because I am a gamer after all. A pretty awesome one.
And keep coming. Who's over? It's Alicorn
Wait, no, I
for
did
a
it wrong.
dragon. Who's over? Alicorn for a dragon.
Oh my god.
Who's over? Alicorn for a dragon.
They're over. I wouldn't do it though
Why?
because I like the dragon more.
How far are they over?
Not that part.
Someone's got a pink cat. Name. What is it?
I can't really remember the glitch that well.
Get a balloon out.
Boom,
Yeah.
boom, boom. I can't really remember it that well. How do you do it again? I forgot.
So what you do, you get a mega fly like that.
No, you don't.
Someone got a
Let's just do
mega
some
box.
obbies while we wait.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Why?
Don't know. It's the only fun thing to do. While we wait for it. Come on, let's go to do some obbies.
But you don't even get anything.
I know you get
Okay.
badges if you complete an obby you never completed before. You used to be able to get bots, but they removed. Let's do Looney Pete. Like, this is probably one of the easiest. This is probably the easiest obby.
Wait up.
I'm pretty sure it's easier than Tiny Isle because it's impossible for some people. I've even tried it. It's not impossible for me. It's probably quite rare to make it possible. You just gotta be lucky. I'm already almost finished Lonely Peak, and I'm not died once. Have you?
No, because I finished it.
No, you haven't.
Yeah, I have. Look.
You just went in. No. This mini world's so hard, actually.
I'm going in mini world.
Even though it says it's the easiest, it's not. It's impossible for some players. This video is not going to be half an hour long, by the way, guys. It's not going to be too long. I might actually stop in a minute.
I wish you could
After I
buy
finish
pets
one
in
more
here.
need, I'm going to stop the video. Maybe. Should we carry on recording after I do one more need?
Yeah.
Maybe. If you guys are lucky. Well, it's not if you guys are lucky. It's just if I can be bothered to. Because like, it's quite late. It's quite late at night, guys. It's not that late. Well, it's not a bed. Well,
Nowhere near my bedtime.
this hobby is quite frustrating.
Go. really fast.
Because I'm glitching quite a bit. Yeah, this is definitely gonna after this last.
Yeah,
after
I'm
one more
finished
needle,
it.
I'm gonna do it. Oh no, those annoy me a lot. And if you die in me, you have to go back to the start.
What?
Oh, these are actually quite easy. They're pretty easy.
That is so unfair.
Oh, bruh, there's a rock there, right? Bruh. Oh, quit away. Exit or B.
I'm just gonna finish it quick. Never mind.
Let's go in pyramid. Let's just go in pyramid.
Where is pyramid?
I don't know. Well, I do know, but I can't be bothered to say. Oof.
Found it.
Let's just get a balloon anyway.
Can't.
I don't care. I got one out where it doesn't even work. Oh, he's got me killed, bro. I don't think that's the balloon. I am really good at obbies. Not to brag or anything, I am. Oh my. Where should we do our outro then? Because I'm probably going to do my outro right now.
No!
Where's your favourite place in Adopt Me? I got an idea where I got a sick place where I do the outro.
My favourite place
I got a really good
is
idea.
in
You know where we glitched out earlier? We could do it there.
That's just boring.
No, it's not. It's fun. It's a good area. In the nursery.
That's perfect, bye.
Why am I riding the skateboard like this? Because I got a stroller. Yeah. Ah.
Where are you?
Pets.
Okay.
Nursery. Anyways, guys,